Click on the link below to get price. The TotGuard Electric Bike is an impressive piece of engineering that captures the essence of adventure and utility in its design. This 26x4.0 fat tire bike is equipped with a powerful 1000W peak motor, making it suitable for a variety of terrains, from city streets to rugged trails. The bike's robust construction inspires confidence, especially when tackling challenging landscapes or inclement weather. One standout feature of the TotGuard is its fat tires, which provide excellent traction and stability. Whether you're riding on sand, snow, or gravel, these tires absorb shocks effectively, allowing for a smooth ride even over rough surfaces. This quality is especially beneficial for those who prioritize comfort during long rides. The bike also has a sturdy aluminum frame, which adds to its durability while remaining lightweight enough for easy handling. The 48V battery delivers impressive performance, providing a range of approximately 30 to 50 miles on a single charge, depending on riding conditions and settings. This range is particularly impressive for an electric bike, making it an excellent choice for daily commutes or weekend adventures. The bike features multiple pedal assist modes, allowing riders to choose how much effort they want to exert. This feature is perfect for beginners and seasoned cyclists alike, as it caters to both leisurely rides and more intense workouts. The bike's design is both functional and aesthetically pleasing, with a sleek finish and thoughtful details like integrated lights for visibility. The LCD display is easy to read and provides essential information such as speed, distance, and battery life, ensuring you stay informed during your rides. Overall, the TotGuard electric bike offers a compelling combination of power, comfort, and versatility. Whether you're commuting, exploring new trails, or just enjoying a leisurely ride, this bike delivers a thrilling experience. With its strong motor, reliable battery, and rugged build, it's an excellent investment for anyone looking to elevate their cycling adventures.